Hello everyone, today I will show you how to turn on or off without button on iPhone 16. So I am provide two method. Set first, open your iPhone settings, click on to general and showing you to shutdown option, just click on, just drag left to right side, then turn off your phone. And the second method, showing you to power up option, just click on, okay, and power off. Okay, and now I'm provide how you can power on without button. So take your charger to put on, okay, then automatically turn on your iPhone, no need to touch your button. So that's it, that's how you can do it.